Is that all?
From the moment I understood the weakness of my flesh, it disgusted me. I craved the strength and certainty of steel. I aspired to the purity of the blessed machine. Your kind cling to your flesh, as if it will not decay and fail you. One day the crude biomass that you call the temple will wither, and you will beg my kind to save you.
Have huge holes in them. I almost dropped my cell phone inside.
This is quite stupid, isn't it? At least we'll get show up in mass!
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light?
Little tape around his...
La dum da la la.
Oh, no. Of all the people in the world that I don't like, I'm in a room full of them.
Hey, can I get $1? Just give me $1. That's all I need. All I need is $1. Can I get $1, please?
Activity, wonder, danger, horror, pain, suffering, pain, death, disease, death, angel food cake. Ow! You fucking no!
He knows he did this. Ooh, he did this again good, ain't he? Ooh, look like he.
What's the sexiest car a guy can drive?
Probably that one.
Your turbo is coming!
There will be no spooky haircut this year. Just kidding! Spooky haircut! Spooky haircut! Spooky haircut! Spooky haircut! Oh! Let's see.
How brave you are when nailed to the walls of Hoover Dam. Your body facing west so you may watch your world die.
I know we've had our ups and downs, but I think it's about time I do this. Will you marry me?
I don't know you.
What do you mean?
Get the fuck! What the fuck, bro?
What, bro?
You won't believe it.
You lying? How much, bro?
You won't believe it.
You lying? I know you lying.
Bro, you will not believe it. Come inside.
No. You lying, bro.
I'm not lying, bro. I'm lying, bro.
Morgen.
I guess I'm afraid. You're a good man, Arthur Morgan. A good man.
Yo, he just said good luck with Uno. Thank you for that, sir. I appreciate. What positive individuals.
Your hands don't look like this while you're eating your lunch. Must be a liberal sissy. Must be a sissy boy.
World billionaire. Bands in a loft, I got a base. World billionaire.
Hey, what, you Ricky Ricardo looking motherfucker? Yeah.
Just kidding. Dogs aren't supposed to eat jelly beans.